This is actually the kind of weather I love. By the way, inside that tree that's right here next to my table where I scrapbook, that tree right there, it's got mockingbirds nesting. I know, it's so cute. I've been seeing some cardinals having fun. And now I'm waiting for my hummingbird that always comes here every year. His name is Hubert. I'm waiting for him to come by. Can you hear that sound? Let's see. That's my little garden in the front. Now you can't hear it. Ah. Alright. These are actually the days I really love being out here. I open up my verticals. My daughter made that for me when she was really young. And this is when I like to scrapbook. Oh my God. That's peaceful, isn't it? Today's a day of inspiration. And thank you, Ron Paul. You're right. Just scrapbook when I want to. But I'm not saying I've been a good girl. I did go to Joann's Fabric and I bought some more paper. I know. You're gonna type, oh no, stop. Alright guys, have a beautiful day. Mine is beautiful and peaceful. It's my magnolia tree. You hear that? Oh my God, it's beautiful. Bye everyone.